chapter in math is chapter 4, and it's about percents. So we're going to talk a little bit about percents today. Percents are something that we see all the time in our daily life. Okay, we might see that something is 25% off, or we might be charging our phone, right? We have our little battery and it might be at 47%. Okay, so we see percents all the time. What does a percent mean? So let's look at the word percent. Okay, the word percent, per cent, breaks into two roots. Per means for every, and cent means 100. So percent means for every 100 or out of 100. Okay, or it could be out of 100. So if there was 100 kids and 20 of them didn't have shoes on, 20% of the kids wouldn't have shoes. 20 out of 100, we can write that as 20%. Okay? 20 out of 100 is 20%. 60 out of 100 is 60%. 80 out of 100 is 80%. It's talking about an amount out of 100. So when we're talking about percents, we're always looking at something where the whole, the total is 100. So let's take a look at that a little bit more. If I was going to say I had 65% of something, the 65 here is the part, and the percent sign is talking about per 100 or for every 100, and that's our whole. Like when we talk about fractions, 65 would be our numerator, 100 would be our denominator. 65 is our part, while 100 is the whole or the total. Okay, sometimes you'll see the word whole, sometimes you'll see the word total. So 65 out of 100, 65 is part of the total, part of the whole. So 65% is really could be a fraction of 65 100ths. So we can write percents as fractions, and we can write fractions as percents as long as our denominator is 100. If our denominator is 100, we can write a percent from a fraction. We're going to look at that a little bit more in the next video.